Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the attribute error and how we can handle attribute error in Python. So before we go ahead and start handling the attribute error in Python, we have to understand what exactly is the attribute error. An attribute error in Python occurs when an invalid attribute reference is made, typically on an object that does not possess the specific attribute. It's like trying to find a book in a library by its ID or book reference number only to realize that the book is not catalogued there at all. For instance, if you attempt to access a method or attribute of an object that does not exist or has not been initialized yet, Python will raise an attribute error. Consider a scenario where you define a class representing a car with methods like start and stop. If you mistakenly try to access an undefined method like accelerate or an instance of this class, Python will raise the attribute error because accelerate is not part of the class definition. Okay, so let's take the same example and try it out over here. So we'll create a class car, and in this we are going to put diff init self make and model. Okay, self dot make equal to make, self dot model is equal to model, and then we are going to define another function def start self. Okay, and we are going to print f self dot make, then self dot model. Okay, I need to put this into curly braces. Started. Okay, now I'm going to put a try block over here saying that my car is equal to car, let's say Toyota, and let's say Kia. Okay, and now I'm going to take my car dot accelerate. So over here in this line I am trying to access an undefined method which I have not defined over here. Okay, so after this I'm going to put the except block, except attribute error as e, and then I'm going to say print f hey user attribute error occurred, and then I'm going to give e. So now if I run it, you will see that we are getting hey user attribute error occurred, car object has no attribute accelerate. Okay, so there is no attribute accelerate that I have defined in my class car, and I'm trying to access it. Okay, so in this code an instance of car class, which is my car, is created with the attribute make and model. The program then attempts to call the accelerate method of my car, which does not exist in the car class. As a result, Python raises the attribute error. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating the attribute or the method that causes that specific error, and this allows the program to handle the unexpected attribute access and provide the appropriate response or fallback to the user. Happy learning and see you in the next video.